In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to make payments for your VPS on Social VPS, renew your trading VPS subscription, and even use PayPal as your preferred payment method, all directly from the client area. If you've ever wondered how to keep your VPS running smoothly without interruption, this is the perfect guide for you. Let's get started. First, when it comes to paying for your Forex VPS, there are two primary categories based on your needs. 1. New orders. 2. Renewals. Each category has its own set of steps to follow for a smooth payment process. Let's dive into the details. If you're new to Social VPS and are setting up your Forex VPS for the first time, here's a step-by-step guide to making your payment. Step 1. Choose your Forex VPS plan. Navigate to the client area on Social VPS and explore the range of Forex VPS plans that are available. Each plan is designed to cater to different trading needs, so choose the one that aligns best with your requirements. Once you've selected your desired plan, click on the Checkout button. Step 2. Complete the checkout form. Fill out the checkout form by selecting your preferred payment account and method. Make sure to check the box labeled "I have read and agree to the terms of service" before clicking Complete Order. Step 3. Pay the invoice. After completing the order, an invoice will be generated. Carefully note the invoice number and transfer the payment to the provided account details. Include the invoice number in the transfer notes to ensure accurate processing. Don't forget to pay attention to the invoice number and then make a payment by transfer to the account listed below, such as the transfer in general. In the transfer note, don't forget to enter your invoice number. Step 4. Confirm payment with customer support. Reach out to Social VPS's customer support team to confirm your payment. This step ensures that your transaction is verified promptly and your Forex VPS is activated without delay. The next tutorial's about how to renew my VPS trading subscription. Step 1. Invoice payment reminder. Enter your email and find a message in the inbox with the subject Invoice Payment Reminder. Click the invoice and make payments according to the account number listed. Step 2. Click Invoice menu. Log in to the client area and click the Invoices menu located on your dashboard. Step 3. See your unpaid package. Select the Unpaid filter in the Status menu. This is needed to display all unpaid invoices that have been published. Social VPS offers a variety of payment methods to accommodate users from different regions. Below is a list of the available options. 1. Online payment for USD and AUR. 2. Wise transfer for USD, EUR, GBP, NZD, AUD, SGD, and more. 3. Local Bank Malaysia for MYR only. Note, incoming payments may take up to 10 minutes to confirm. 4. Local Bank Singapore for SGD only. 5. Local Bank Indonesia for IDR only. Note, include the invoice number, invoice SX, in the transfer notes. 6. EU and SEPA, bank transfers for EUR only. There are also other payment methods with additional fees. For example, Bank BNI, OVO, Dana, ShopeePay, Link Aja, QRIS, Alphamart, Postal Post, credit card. Note, incoming payments typically require 1 to 2 working days for confirmation. 7. Bank account in the US for USD only. Note, incoming payments typically require 1 to 2 working days for confirmation. Last tutorial, how to pay using PayPal for Forex VPS. First, log in to your account on Social VPS and navigate to the Client area. Then, choose the invoice you wish to pay from the list of pending payments. Next, select the PayPal checkout option and follow the prompts to complete your payment securely. After clicking PayPal Checkout, you will go directly to the PayPal menu, and please select Payment using PayPal Debit Credit. And that's how simple it is to make a VPS payment, renew your subscription, and use PayPal for quick and secure transactions on Social VPS. We hope this tutorial helps you manage your VPS service with ease. Good luck trying. If you found this video useful, don't forget to share it with others who might need it too. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.